大家好，接下来讲一下 QD82全直流变频空调的安装。
Hello everyone, today we will introduce the installation about our inverter board QD82.
安装前请仔细阅读使用说明书。
Before installation, please read the user's manual carefully.
第一，先看一下控制系统的组成。室内机通用版、遥控器、室外机变频通用版、电极电容板。
This inverter control system includes indoor board remote control, outdoor board, and electrolytic capacity board.
主要功能是室内直流分机驱动、室外交流分机驱动、交直流压缩机驱动、室外直流分机驱动和电子膨胀阀驱动。
It has great function and performance. It can drive the indoor AC and DC fan, AC and DC compressor, outdoor DC fan, electronic expansion valve.
安装前请先确认一下空调内分机类型是 PJ 分机、抽头分机还是直流分机。如果室内分机不是直流分机，请选用我公司其他对应的室内机通用版。
Firstly, please confirm the type of fan motor, PG motor, DC fan motor, or traditional 3-5-speed motor. If the indoor fan motor is not DC fan motor, please choose other suitable indoor board manufactured by us.
接下来咱们以富士通全直流变频空调控制系统讲解一下 QD82内机版的安装。
Now we will introduce the indoor board installation of QD82.
咱们先找到这个插头另外一端的火线和零线。
Firstly, find the L line and N line of the air conditioner.
分别插在火线插在 L 端，零线插在 N 端。
Then connect them correspondingly with the inset piece of L and N on the indoor board.
第二，室内机机械端子上一般有3根线，这3根线，分别是压缩机控制线，然后零线，还有信号线。
There are 3 lines connecting with the outdoor unit. They are compressor control line, N line, and signal line.
把这个压缩机控制线接在 COMP 端，零线接在这个 N 端，信号线接 VR 换向阀。
Connect the signal line with the inset piece of reverse valve. Find the compressor control line and the N line and connect them correspondingly with the inset piece of compressor and N.
接下来是这个外分机，室外交流分机控制线。室外分机不是直流就是交流。如果室外分机为直流的话，此处插片无需连接。
Outdoor AC fan motor control line. The outdoor fan motor is AC or DC. If the outdoor fan motor is DC fan, there is no need for connection.
第六，咱们讲一下室内直流分机的安装。这一个是室内直流分机的接口。一定要注意这个室内分机的线序，如果接反的话会烧坏室内直流分机。
Now we will introduce indoor DC fan motor installation. Pay attention to the line order and make sure they are connected correspondingly. Mistaken connection will damage DC fan motor.
板子上的对应编号分别为FG 分机反馈线，VSP 控制线，15伏电源，JNT 地线，然后310伏。
The corresponding label on board is FG fan motor feedback line, VSP control line, VCC DC 15 voltage power, GND fan motor earth line, VM DC 310 voltage fan motor power.
我们再看一下这个直流外分机的线序，分别为红色的VM VDC， 然后黑色的 GND， 这个是次为这个是 VCC VSP FJ。
For outdoor DC fan motor, the line order is VM or VDC line, GND line, VCC 50 voltage line, VSP line, FG PG line.
好，简单确定一端分机的方法是VD 和VDC VM 这根线和 GND 线这两个线的间距比较大，确定一端的话，一次就可以知道其他的线序了。
An easy way to identify one end is that the gap between VM or VDC line and GND line is bigger than others.
然后把它对应插在这个对应的插座上。第七，安装变压器，这一个是变压器。
Install the transformer.
安装显示板和室温传感器、管温传感
Install
器。
the room temperature sensor, pipe temperature sensor, and display panel. 这样就第八接一下这个步进电机。首先找到这个步进电机线，然后把它插在对应的这个排电上，注意这个12伏端，红色线12伏端。 Now we will connect the step motor. Pay attention to the 12 voltage common ends.
如果上电后发现步进电机反装的话，请把短路帽插在这个排电上。
If the step motor rotates reversely, please insert the jumper.
第九，内基板已经连线完毕，然后把多余的东西拆除，然后安装上内基板即可。内基板安装完毕。
Now we have finished the installation of indoor board. You can remove the original board and the other extra parts.
接下来讲一下室外变频通用板的安装。这个是室外变频板，然后这个是电极电容板。
Now we will introduce the installation of outdoor inverter board. The first one is outdoor inverter board. The second one is electrolytic capacity board.
室外变频通用板上的泵把开关默认都在数字端，使用直流压缩机。安装前请先确认压缩机是直流的还是交流的。如果是交流压缩机，请把泵把开关一拨至 ON 端。
For the dyno switch, when the default setting is at the number side, it will be suitable for DC compressor. Before installation, please identify the compressor type, DC inverter or AC inverter. If it is AC inverter compressor, please set the GL1 to be on side.
因为我这个是直流压缩机，所以我泵把开关一在数字端，在这个一端。
This is a DC compressor, so we will set the GL1 on the number side.
好，接下来咱们根据这个接验图找到对应的接口。
Now we will find the different line from this diagram.
首先，先找到这个火线零线，
Firstly, we need to find the L line and N line,
找到压缩机线，
and the compressor line UVW,
然后再找到直流外分机线，
and find the DC fan motor line,
然后再找到电子膨胀阀线，
and the line of electronic expansion valve,
然后再找到四通阀线，
and the line of reverse valve.
在这里。接下来咱们讲一下这个外接板的连接。首先将变频通用板和电极电容板连接，然后正接正，然后负接负。
Firstly, we need to connect the outdoor inverter board with the electric capacity board correctly.
然后接压缩机控制线，从室内机引出来的一个压缩机控制线接在这 COMP 端，然后零线接在 N 端。
Now we need to connect the compressor control line and the N line.
然后接压缩机控制线，先找到接 U 线 ，UVW 分别接在对应的 UVW 接线处。
Now we will connect the compressor line. Please find the compressor UVW line and connect them with the UVW terminal on the board correspondingly.
接下来第四点接这个直流外分机线，注
Now
意
we will connect the outdoor DC fan motor.
注意一下这个对应的线序，
Please pay attention to the line order.
外分机线序分别为 VM、VDC、JND 线，然后 VCC 15伏线，然后还有一个是 VSP 线FG 线。
The line order is VM or VDC line, JND line, VCC or 15 voltage line, VSP line, and FG PG line.
如果不对应插接的话，会烧坏直流外分机。
Mistaken connection will damage the DC fan motor.
简单确认这个分机的一端的线的话是 VDC、VM 线和 JND 线间距比较大，可以确定一端的话一次线序就可以知道其他线序了。
An easy way to identify one end is that the gap between VM or VDC line and JND line is bigger than others.
然后，因为这一个这个插头和这个不对应插接，所以做了一个转接插座，转接头，然后插在这儿。
We have a transformer plug.
接下来咱们接四通阀线，
Now we will connect the line of reverse valve.
将其中一根线接在从内基板引出来的四通阀线的控制端。
We need to find the reverse valve line to connect.
另一端接在 N 端。
Then we need to connect the N line.
接下来咱们接电子膨胀阀线。
Now we need to connect the line of electronic expansion valve.
先确认电子膨胀阀的12伏端，然后再对应插接在这个电子膨胀阀的控制端上。
We need to find the plug of electronic expansion valve and connect it.
如果电子膨胀阀反转，
If the electronic expansion valve rotates reversely,
请调整 A、B、C、D 线序即可，即 A 线与 D 线对调 ，B 线和 C 线对调。
please adjust the ABCD line order. Exchange A line with D line. Exchange B line with C line.
这一个是排气温度传感器线，把它接在压缩机排气端即可。
Now connect exhaust temperature sensor with the compressor exhaust terminal.
把线接好之后，把这一个外基板直接拆除。
After the installation, remove the original outdoor board.
在这一块板子的散热片上涂上导热硅脂。
Our outdoor inverter board has heatsink. Use the silicones to make it fix on original heatsink.
然后把这一块板子固定在空调外机原装散热片上即可。